What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys caught my last video. I was day trading yesterday evening, had a live trade going. The markets are open right now. We're going to take a look at it. I'm going to do I'm going to put on a trade and we'll cover that live. Again, I'm not an expert. I'm just documenting my journey day trading futures. I have experience trading stock market for years. I sell options mainly. I picked up futures day trading about a year and a half ago, and I've had some ups and downs, mostly downs. The truth is, you really got to put in the time with the day trading. Okay, so if you really want to learn how to day trade, get yourself either a Trade account or, like me, a Ninja Trader account. They have this amazing demo accounts that you can use where you can basically they have data from previous trading days, right? So I'll day trade on the weekends where I select the data from past trading days. I'm able to trade live market data from, let's say, a year ago. All right, so March 21st, 2023, I can select that day and I can actually trade that day in a demo account, see how I would have done. It's like practicing video games. So I've been doing that for about a year and a half now, where I'm basically trading every day. If it's not a live trade, using some of the performance accounts that I use with Apex, I'm using demo accounts on NinjaTrader, practice. Let's take a look at what I got going on over here. All right, so take a look here. This is my dashboard. So I just started a brand new evaluation account or combine account. Okay, it's a $50,000 account. Okay, and as you can see, this number here this is the 365th practice account that I've gotten in a year and a half. If you look at the cost of these, they're about, I would say, average because of all the discounts that Apex offers. I'm averaging probably about $35 an account. So if you do the math, that means in a year and a half's time, I have paid Apex over 12 grand. Now, here is my most recent performance account. Okay, and I've passed 29 of them. I've actually passed 30 because if you look up here, this account I just passed this morning. All right, this was a $50,000 account, and as you can see, you need to make 3,000 bucks to pass this evaluation account, and I've done that this morning. This one took me, I think, about a little over a week to pass. So I have passed 30 of them. These two accounts right here, which I've already hit my marker, I try and make $200 a day. I've done that with these two. I pretty much pick between $25,000 accounts and $50,000 accounts. They have accounts that go up to 150,000. Of course, with those, you have to make a lot more to pass the account, but you also get a bigger drawdown. All right, so we're about 30 minutes into the trade. Okay, so we're about 30 minutes into the trading day. I'm on the NQ here, and I've been looking at this. We had this move down, found some support at the 200. Also, over here on this side, I'm looking at this is the VWAP resistance pivot right here, or support pivot, I should say. I want to see if this is going to break this trend line here, or if it's going to pull back down. I also got a level here that is acting as resistance right now. I started a new eval account because I just passed this one. So I always like to have a couple eval accounts going. And later today, this gets converted into a performance account. So I will have 3 going. My biggest issue, the thing that I struggle with the most is I break my own rules. Okay, I turn into a cowboy. I would much rather blow up an account than get stopped out. That is my biggest mistake. I cannot seem to break that habit. Maybe if you're watching, you will learn not to do what I do. I'm looking at this here, and I'm seeing this come back down. All right. I'm seeing this maybe it tags it again and then we come back down. I do not see this breaking it. I could be wrong though. Again, I look over at the MACD getting ready to cross. I don't really use this a ton. This is something that like maybe I'll reference, but I see this struggling to break through here. Okay, because look, this is what I'm looking at. There's a rally going on because of Fed yesterday and the dovishness. But I don't trust this rally that we're seeing. All right. So if you use this Fibonacci, right, it came up. Look at this. It tagged that 618 perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add a contract. I'm going to go short here. Wow, that bounced. Boom, that happened quick. I know it. There we go. Now I'm gonna basically break even or be up a couple bucks, but let's see this come down. I know that happened quick, guys. Making a video and trading live is something I'm trying to get used to doing because I do think it provides it's good entertainment and it's hard for me to explain every little thing that I'm doing. But I basically looked at this. All right, let me move this down a little bit. This is a nice little trade. Um, this look at this when I did that Fibonacci, it's to see that hit just perfectly like that. Hang in there, hang in there, you piece of go down. There we go. All right, I'm gonna take a. I think this could break down further, guys. Wow, what a trade! We're gonna end this early just on one contract. Go, come on. Oh, son of a. All right, regroup, regroup. What does it do now? I still think it's gonna go down. Going short again. All right. And if it comes up here, I may uh if it busts up here, I'm putting another sell order in right here. Don't do what I do, guys. If you notice, I'm not using stop losses because I'm an idiot, but I'll put a stop loss in. Because I do use stop losses sort of. I use them as a way to once I'm ahead in the trade, then I use them. Moving that in. That's it. That. All right. So two trades. My goal is to make 200. So I'm $10 away from that. That's almost close enough for me to want to walk away. But I think we break down further. Look, there it goes. Son of a oh, there it's gonna go. Oh God. All right, wait. Let me come back up here. I got a sell order in right here. Actually, I'm starting to wonder about this, my thesis of this breaking down further. All right. That may have been dumb. I'm a little concerned, not gonna lie. All right, I'll put a stop loss in right here. See, I'm putting a stop loss in over this little local top here, this little right here. Because if it breaks that, then this I still think this is gonna go down though. This ain't got the juice. You ain't got the juice. Now, when I book a loss like this, I get annoyed, and I think this isn't about to break all-time highs here. I don't know. This thing has been on a rampage. All right, I took a quick win there. I think we're gonna. I'm going short again. All right, I got stopped out, but I made 30 bucks on that trade. Let's come back down, guys. This doesn't have the juice. It's not going. It's not taking out the highs. Not yet. I'm looking over here. It broke through this level, and now it's coming back, and it's turning this resistance into support, and it's holding. And it continues to hold, and maybe this is heading back up. It's at least going to try an attempt. It breaks over this. It's going to attempt to hit this top right here. Maybe that is what's happening. Here's what I could do. All right. This is sometimes I'll front run. So basically, if we break this top right here, so I could put a buy order in, assuming it breaks this. If it breaks down this the 50 on this Fibonacci here, which is you can see it's using as support, then maybe it goes lower, right? So you can front run either way. Oh wow, this is about to get hit. Oh boy. This is either a good idea or a bad one. I don't know. That might not have been a good idea. Well, but see, I got my stop loss in already. I'll let this play out. There we go. There we go. Moving this down. There we go. Yeah, buddy. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Knew this was breaking down. Who says you can't say where it's going? All right. Yeah. Oh, whew. Wow. Hell of a trade. Hell of a trade. All right. So if we come down here, I'm good. I'm done for the day. Look at that. I am done for the day. So it's Thursday. This is a cool thing that this has. So we can take a look at my performance. I've had a good week, trade performance. All right. So far for the week, I'm up almost 3,000. The reason we come over here, I'll tell you why I had a bad start to the week. Basically, I didn't trade these days, so it doesn't really matter. But here, I'll go ahead and put Sunday to Monday. I lost 1,000 on Monday, blew up an account. And so as a result of it, right, if we weren't to count that day and we were to just count, if we were to, what's the date? If we were to just pass 2 days, so 19th, so Tuesday to Thursday, I've made almost 4,000. My my issue is I'm super high percentage win rate. I mean, look at this, right? 80% on long trades, 76% on short trades. The reason I'm not more profitable is because my losing trades are big. So I may not make a lot of losing trades, but when I do, I lose big. My winning trades are like $100, $150. Losing trades, a G, easily, right? So, yeah. Well, nobody's perfect. So, anyway, folks, thanks for being with me on this. Let me know what you think down below. I'm going to leave links to Apex, which is the prop firm that I use. They always have the best discounts. I've used a lot of different prop firms actually when I was first starting out. I was trying a bunch of them. Usually, to buy an evaluation account, right? A lot of times, they're $100, $200. You use Apex, you use my link down below. You're always going to get an amazing discount. Right now, it's 80% off all accounts. So the one that I purchased today that we were just trading on, I got it for $33. Okay, so use my link down below. Apex, definitely the best. Let me know what you think of my trading. It's very unpolished, as you can tell. But whew, what a way to start the day. Catch you guys all on the next one.